Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have Popeyes chicken sandwich, and we're gonna see if this has changed over a while. So this is the exact same one from my last video, from my Popeyes video. It's spicy. So I'm gonna open it up. This is what it looks like. I also have my water here. So, here we go. Here's the sandwich. Let's see what's inside. Okay, there's the pickle. I think there's there's also the spicy sauce in there. There's the chicken. So the pickle's on the bottom this time. So let's see if it changed. So let's take a bite. Mmm. It kind of tastes the same. Maybe a little bit different. Just a little. I'm gonna move these guys down a little bit. I'm sorry I haven't been recording a lot. I've been busy with school, of course. If you're in school, how's your school going? How's school going? Comment that down below. And before I take this bite, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification bell. And subscribe. And share this video too. There's a share button that's probably down right here. You could probably press that. It's either here or here. This time you can taste a lot of the chicken, but you don't taste a lot of sauce, but you can feel the spice. It's not that spicy though. It's imagine sriracha mayo. I like sriracha mayo. It's my favorite. It's basically what it is, sriracha and mayo. So, that's a little different. I got some of the pickle. Have you guys tried this sandwich yet? Comment it down below. And does it taste different? Or does it taste the same to you? Comment it down below. Probably not good lighting. Then I realized they changed their Popeyes chicken sandwich wrap. So Popeyes. You can also get a classic, just like a regular chicken sandwich from Popeyes. I'm gonna bite with the pickle. It like, you see that? There's a light there, and then it looks like the glue is like glowing up. So tomorrow is teacher conference day tomorrow, and Veterans Day tomorrow, so we're gonna, there's no school tomorrow, so yes, I'm free. Got an extra day of the weekend and last day of school. So I think next video I'm gonna post a video on like some jajangmyeon. If you guys don't know what jajangmyeon is, it's like a black bean noodle. You can look it up, see what it looks like. There's different brands. I think I might do that as the next video. And a little hint of what I'm gonna add in there is like, I'm gonna be whispering only. So, guess what I'm talking about. My dad just got this from Popeyes not too long ago. Yeah, so just decided to make this video. There's not a big difference with this Popeye sandwich. I'm like almost done. Like look at the end. It's like just a pickle and like sauce. See if I can like bite this off at the end. That tasted burnt. The bread is brown. See? Out of 5, I'll give this a 4 out of 5. I wouldn't give it a 5 out of 5 because number 1, I feel like it could use some more chicken. 2, a little bit too much bread. And 3, the bread is burnt. And they give a lot of it too. Let's set that down real quick. Yeah, so coming to the end of the video right now. So, yeah. My dad, he tried to go in like the drive-thru and it was like way too long. So he went inside and there's only like, guess what? There's only like 3 people in there. And he just got his sandwich like this. Like, boom. There. I can't really snap that well because my hands are greasy. Before I take this last bite, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you notify whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to share this video. So, So that was the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to share this video, and hope you guys like this video. Bye!